If you are using Zoom for the video conference, you will need a webcam. In this video, I will tell you that you don't need to buy a webcam. You can use your phone as a webcam and the quality is a lot better. The video signals that I get from my phone is very smooth. It's no lag at all. So I will show you how. First thing first, on your computer you need to download a program. The link is in the video descriptions. Download the apps and install the applications. To save time, I have already downloaded the app. Just double click and install the apps. I have already installed the apps on the computer. If I install again, for sure it will close the camera. Okay, so let me try to install again just to show you in case you don't know how to install. Okay, so it's already there. Let's run the apps. And on your phones you need to download programs. You need to download this app. It's called Webcam. Just go to Play Store. This app is available on both iOS and Android. You can find it. And for those who using Harmony OS, just try to find if you can install APK. It should be available there. Okay, I open the apps. For this app, you can use on the USB for the fast video transfer, and also you can use Wi-Fi. Make sure your computers and the phone connect on the same Wi-Fi. So this is the app interface. As you can see, we can rotate the apps. We can change to the back camera. This is the front camera, so you can switch. And there are some settings, as you can see. I think you can play around by yourself. For zoom, just go to zoom and you can choose the camera. Just choose Webcam and you go to go. You can do the videos conference. For those who need a webcam, right now you have a solution. You don't need to waste money on webcam anymore. Just connect your phone to the computers and you go to go. Alright, so this is the end of the video. If you have any problem or question, feel free to drop the comment in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer when I have free time. In case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial like this. And also give me a thumbs up for this video if it helped you. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one.